Hello, I'm Ann Knoop, a senior scientist at STERIS, and I'd like to tell you about the science behind Prolistica's ultimate cleaning productivity. Every sterile processing department wants to effectively clean instruments and devices and achieve results quickly while thoroughly removing gross soils. To demonstrate the effectiveness of cleaning chemistries, let's do an experiment using film used in traditional photography. We use 3 beakers with well-known enzymatic instrument cleaning chemistries. Number 1 is brand A. Number 2 is brand B. Number 3 is Prolistica HP Enzymatic Manual Cleaner. Next, we place the film strip into these 3 chemistries. The film has a gelatin coating, which is a protein, just like many procedural soils. This experiment takes about 4 minutes, so I'm showing you a sped-up version of the video. As you can see, in just a few minutes, the Prolistica cleaning chemistry has fully removed the gelatin coating, or protein, from the film strip. The other cleaning solutions have visibly left protein soils on the film strip. This demo shows how fast Prolistica chemistries removed hard-to-clean protein-based soils compared to other products, but it only shows effectiveness across one type of soil. No instrument is going to have a single type of soil on it, regardless of the procedure for which it was used. The human body is a complex mix of proteins, fats, carbohydrates, and more. So of course instruments or devices after a procedure are coated with a mixture of soils. The ability to remove these soils with one detergent can greatly improve department productivity. To demonstrate the effectiveness of Prolistica across multiple soils, we took hemostats and applied a simulated surgical soil consisting of blood, bone chips, and fat. We then dried these instruments in an oven to make the soil even harder to clean. The hemostats were then placed in solutions of Prolistica or other popular instrument cleaning chemistries. Solutions were made with 50 degrees centigrade tap water and gently agitated. Once the hemostats were removed from the chemistry solutions, they were rinsed and allowed to dry. Check out the photographs with results comparing Prolistica to a handful of other products. This example shows how Prolistica chemistries thoroughly remove all types of soil, even from the crevices and hinges of instruments. Overall, Prolistica cleaning chemistries remove surgical and endoscopy soils faster and more completely, increasing productivity and keeping your department running smoothly.